Huh? What's happening? What? Uptown New Orleans in this bitch. We VN, you understand? With this hot girl Missy, fucking with these uptown gorillas. You dig? If it don't make dollars, it don't make sense. Do your thing, girl.
Y'all don't wanna give me my props. I'ma have to lick 2 shots, I'ma knock. Pop the enemy till it drop. Make his whole body go hippie to the hop. Well, I won't stop till I get up to the top. Gotta blow any other state off the map. And I got a whole lot of cheddar in my pox. Better give me 5 mics, give me props. Say you sick of my clicking my shit. Cause I got a whole lot of hits and no tricks. Just the baseline, few snares, few kicks. Make the whole industry wanna go and bid. I say you sit, we sit, I sit. While I go shit on a mix like this. Say you spit, I spit, we spit. But you can't fuck with a nigga like this. Check me out. Ain't no nuts, but you can't resist. If you come hard, better come legit. We gon' talk shit cause we confident. If you think not, then you're bound to see. Ain't no nuts, but you can't resist. If you come hard, better come legit. We gon' talk shit cause we confident. We gon' show you so you best believe. Y'all don't wanna put me on the front page, all the shit I done. Now you wanna fuck around and grade my shit. Let's talk about the million niggas who big. It's only one Timothy from the V. And the whole industry going beep beep. Now I gotta go change up my beats so another nigga won't duplicate me. Yeah, got styles, got shows, videos. And my shows, it grows. And I sing, I flow, I blows. And I know y'all niggas know when I come swift with the 1-2 kick. If you got a blunt, got a light, got a lit. Yeah, don't stop, won't quit. And I made 1.6 admit. Check me out. Ain't no nuts, but you can't resist. If you come hard, better come legit. We gon' talk shit cause we confident. If you think not, then you're bound to see. Ain't no nuts, but you can't resist. If you come hard, better come legit. We gon' talk shit cause we confident. We gon' show you so you best believe. Ain't no nuts, but you can't resist. If you come hard, better come legit. We gon' talk shit cause we confident. If you think not, then you're bound to see. Ain't no nuts, but you can't resist. If you come hard, better come legit. We gon' talk shit cause we confident. We gon' show you so you best believe. If you come hard, better come legit.